So, always we use the Bible to resist the enemy. Because from the dust we came, to the dust we always return. You see, the cadavers that we are slicing, did you know that the cadavers we are slicing has to be soaked? Say we slice now, they have to be soaked in the formalin, in a bathtub of formalin regularly. Otherwise, even if they were injected with formalin, they will still stink. Yes, they will still stink. During the time when we are slicing them, the smell is there, but you just have to suffer that because you are preparing for an exam. There are times when even if the cadavers are at your back, you have to do your overtime because the practical exam is on the next day. Huh? You don't mind anymore even if your hairs are already standing like this and you feel some cold air. You don't mind that anymore because they're not there. Okay, so Spiritism in our modern days, in the, what is the generation now? How do you call it? They say I am Gen X. Kamo unsa mo? Huh? Gen Z na? Gen Z? Pinawagas may sunod sa siwa na may sunod. Balik na po, Alpha? After sa Gen Z? Gen Alpha na po, no? Okay. Unsa naman? Signs and wonders, the devil is going to be giving a lot of signs and wonders for us to believe Him. Bantay pa, anak. Kaya pwede lisod kayo kumbinsiho na itong silingan because of these signs and wonders. Are they here? Around us, yes. Inside the church, yes. Yes. And that's why we have, and that's why I believe this lesson was reviewed. Siguro mag-review na itong lesson, the same topic, several years na. Quackery. Hala, gibarang na sila. I remember last time, Pastor, I have a lesion here on my nose. My mother, kay dugan nagsad na ayugod ako ilong. So gidala sa ko dito sa tambalan, we call it tambalan, no? Pero quackery good to. I was brought to the tambalan. Nga, he showed my mother that there were some dirt and some whatsoever that came out from my nose. Somebody could have said a curse on me. Pero man gyapon na ayo. Butangan dito dukan sa akong mother og penicillin. Tungtong sa kusamad, naayo lagi. Dili dito siya barang. Tapos barang at all. Acupuncture. Reflexology. Sounds familiar? Iridology. Jewelries that are thought to be, that could heal, that could give strength. Sounds familiar? Yes, Pastor. Because this has now crept into the church. Elders, pastor, giving seminars on some of this. In fact, there was one elder who came to me for checkup. Nagpa-check up siya, Pastor. Siya og iya nga wife. Iya nga wife, because he was the highest elder in the church. Her wife was also